is another year today. Remembering the goodness of the Lord. Oh. You never know the better yesterday. We got to dance and celebrate. God bless the day that you were born. You mean everything to me. Anything you break, now me go pay. Shekimo, you got to celebrate. Because he did. All the praise you can face, you will face tomorrow. Because you shall never know better yesterday. Oh, fear is gone. Jesus cares for you. Because I know you know you shall not die. Your life is worth a living just because it is your birthday to celebrate. Because you can face all my nature will you face tomorrow. Because in order to make come down, fear is gone. Don't fear, the woman that He knows your future. The Lord knows your future. Your life is one. A living just because He did. Can you remember what I told you the first day I met you? That I will always love you. My prayer warrior, you are the best thing that has ever happened to me. Oh, my little one, baby, you know where I suffer. Money, but I demand to get a baby. Rosa, Mama, I'm waiting. Baby, me full ego, you can't hear me. The hand of the Lord is upon you. Shekina, you never see shame in your life. He can't wait to see our baby. For my daughter, Shekina, you.